What's going on YouTube? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, guys, we are going to teach you how the top YouTubers actually make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to my business partner, Joshua Elder. He's going to teach you how. I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to expose, maybe not expose, but I want to show you guys how top YouTubers are making money online here in 2019, specifically YouTubers that are in the make money online / internet marketing space. And we're going to sort of reverse engineer what is working so you can avoid the shiny object syndrome and finally figure out what works when it comes to creating a passive income online. And that's what this channel is all about, helping you live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe by ticking that bell icon below, and also slamming that subscribe button, of course. And let's go ahead and dive into the content. So I've got a few channels that I've set up here that we're going to actually go through and sort of reverse engineer these channels step by step. Number one is Kevin David, pretty well known out there in the online make money online space, 559,000 subscribers. We've got ODI Productions, very affluent when it comes to affiliate marketing. We've got John Crestani, who's also affluent in internet marketing / affiliate marketing. And also, you can't forget your boy, Josh Elder, almost 50,000 subscribers to date. So I appreciate you guys for the loyalty, for following me. Again, if you're brand new, please hit that subscribe button. So we're going to break down each of these channels in as much detail as we can. So first of all, let's talk about Kevin David. He's got many different videos on many different topics where he's teaching people, how to make $100 per day from YouTube. You've got how to make $100 in 60 seconds. You've got Shopify product research. You've got how to make money with PayPal. Many different videos teaching different tactics. And a lot of these tactics do work, but are they actually long-term? Can you build a sustainable passive income from them? And most of the time you can't, because you're either going to websites or you're implementing strategies that are here today and gone tomorrow. And so how is he really making money? How is he really monetizing these videos? Well, obviously he's making money on the front end from YouTube ads, from people that click on the ads that may show up before, during, or after his videos. But typically you're making, a few extra $1,000 per month. Hey, he might be making $6,000 to $10,000 a month on AdSense revenue because he is uploading so frequently and he has so many subscribers, which is great. But most of the money is in fact being made on the back end. He's actually making money by building his brand, by putting out a lot of content, giving value on how to make money, but he's not implementing a lot of these strategies. Some of these strategies that he's teaching in his videos, yes, he is. But a lot of the other strategies, he's actually taking content that's already out there. He's repurposing that content. He's making it better and he's releasing it to you guys. But then at the end of his videos, every once in a while, he'll have like a call to action where you can learn more about his number one recommendation, which is right here in the description. So you click this link, you're going to be ran through like a quiz. And then depending on your answers, you're going to be led down a pathway, whether it's like Facebook ads, it's Shopify, starting your own digital, agency, so on and so forth. And then once you get exposed to whatever product is the best fitted for you, he will either make all the money because it's his own product, or he'll refer an affiliate product and he'll get a commission. So that's where the bulk of his money is coming from. It's why I've said in my past few videos, watch what people do, not listen to what they say necessarily all the time. Information is important, but when you see somebody putting up a lot of content, there's a reason why they're doing it, right? Because they understand that people are going to go, they're going to watch the videos, they're going to consume the content, they're going to get value, they're going to like Kevin more, and at some point, they're going to join his top recommendation, which is right here at the very top. So he does that extremely well, puts out a lot of content. He's one of the YouTubers that just hustles like no other, putting out tons and tons of value, tons of content. And that is how he's really making the bulk of his money, is on the back end of YouTube through links in his description. Then you have ODI Productions, same thing. Gives a lot of value in the affiliate marketing industry. So his channel is more niche specific versus being more broad. You can see that he's done like JVs with Kevin David. So you're able to partner up with somebody and get some of their subscribers over to your YouTube channel. But again, if we click on one of his videos right here, he's following the same exact formula. So you'll notice right here, he's actually selling his own product in the description. So once again, a lot of you might be getting this shiny object syndrome by, oh my gosh, ODI Productions is teaching this in this video, and Kevin's teaching that in that video, and John Crestani is teaching something else, and Josh Elder is teaching something else. And you're learning a lot of these different tactics. But again, watch what they're doing. Watch what they're doing to make the bulk of their money. And it's these little nuances at the end of their videos and in their videos telling you, hey, if you want to learn more about this, click the link in the description below. Read between the lines, and you're going to notice what the gurus are doing to really make the bulk of their money. So you've got that video right there, and then you've got your call to action here. Again, and then he's making money through like Aweber, and then he's got a free training right here where he's building a list and then sending out emails to that list to then sell them his own courses or affiliate products. Then you have John Crestani, same thing. If you go to like earn money by clicking on ads, for example, right? Giving you a tactic that, again, most of the time works short term. But then in the description right here, if we scroll down, he's got a training course. He's got a webinar, which he's then selling his product on that webinar. The training course, he's again building a list. So you're seeing commonalities between all these different marketers. Our channels are very much the same. And then you have, of course, my videos. You can look in the description of this video. There's a link right there that you can click and you can partner with me. And when you do that, I earn a commission. I make money, right? And so I want you guys to be able to go out there and see the truth of making money online. So you don't continue to, maybe for lack of a better phrase, buy into the tactics, but be willing to learn the hardest stuff first, which is being willing to be on video, being willing to be a teacher versus a consumer, being willing to go out there and create quality content and share it with the world. If you are doing things that most people aren't willing to do, you're going to get paid accordingly. If you're a cashier at a grocery store, you'll make, $10 to $12 an hour. Nothing bad about being a cashier whatsoever. If that's what you want to do, that's great. But if you're at this video, you probably want more. If you want to be a receptionist, you'll probably make $12 to $15 an hour. And so you get paid accordingly to your difficulty of the task and how much competition there is out there for that specific task. So if you're willing to do things that people aren't willing to do, you eliminate your competition, you get most of the market share, and you make most of the money. That's why you see 2% of people making 98% of the money out there. So if you want to be a part of that 2% and you want to learn about the affiliate marketing business model and how to construct these types of videos and how to create content and put it out there and make passive income through video marketing, or even through like Facebook and even Instagram and even blogging, there's going to be a link below that's going to lead you to my top recommended system that's going to show you how to do that step by step and click by click. So before I end this video, for those of you guys that might be brand new, I'm just going to go ahead and head over to one of my accounts here. This is one of my top recommended programs right now. It is called Easy One Up. And if I go ahead and I log in here, you guys can see my earnings since November 20th, 2018. You can actually go back to the channel and see when I started promoting Easy One Up and see my progress over time. So I've been doing reviews every few months on Easy One Up. I actually haven't been doing a new review in quite some time, which I'll have to do in the next couple of days. But you guys can see $160,900 since November 20th. So it's been less than a year. I think it's been like 6-7 months or something like that. So this is possible. You guys can do this. Be willing to model what the gurus are doing instead of do what they're saying, a lot of the time. What you'll find the difference on this channel is I actually show you exactly what I'm doing for the most part in most of my videos. I have been doing some other videos just to build my brand, little tactical stuff. But what I really focus on teaching now is getting you guys to go out there, build a brand, model, and even copy exactly what I'm doing and deploy it into your own business. So hope you guys got value from this video. If you want to learn how to promote other people's products through the affiliate marketing business model, click the link below. Comment, like if you haven't already. Let me know that you got value from this. It inspires me to continue to put out content. And subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. With that said, this is Josh Elder signing off. We'll see you in the next video.